So guys, now I'm turning it for the first time now after I cover it. So like I said before, you don't need to put water at the first time, so I'm covering it for the second time now. So I'm opening it again for the second time, which I've added a little water. So now the next thing you see is for me to pour rice or inside the boiled water. As you can see, the water is boiled because I'm going to parboil it. It's a short rice. It's not the basmati rice, so I'm going to parboil it. So I will turn it with my turning stick. Okay, so here is the rice. Is already boiled and ready to be washed for the first time. You can see, and my fry pan is already placed on the gas. So here was my chicken. Here is my chicken earlier on. The chicken you see on the fire, so you see it is already fried. I've started frying it now, guys. So this is the chicken. And the rice is already washed and placed on the fita. Okay guys, so this is it. It is well washed. Okay, and the chicken is almost dried but still in the process. Like I said, is a soft chicken. Okay, so you have to dry it very well. Okay, the rice, I'm about to start preparing it now. The coconut rice. So here is the cocoa milk, which the Jama call it, but it's coconut water. So I'll be pouring it inside. So first of all, I'll pour the pepper, my blended pepper, the fresh pepper I showed you earlier. It's already blended, so I've poured it inside, and I'll be adding water to it. Okay, and my Maggie cube. Adding my Maggie cube to the pot now. All right, good. And so that is it. Salt, pepper, Maggie cube is inside. So the next thing I will do now is to open my coconut cup. So do you see it? It is white inside. It's like a cream. See it? It is pure coconut water, as you can see. So I will pour it inside the cup, inside the pot of rice now, followed by the second one. Okay, and the third one. I'm using the three of them. Okay, so I will turn it now after I poured the 3 cup inside the pot, turning it together. Okay, so when doing this, you have to watch your energy, how your cooking gas is. You have to watch it that it's not that high, because the rice is fat and soft. It might be funny that your pot might be burning while the rice is not ready. Okay, so you have to be attentive on how you hide your cooking gas. All right, so those are the 4 things inside the pot. You see it now. My slicing bowl, tomatoes is sliced, onions is sliced, pepper is sliced, which I will be needed to stew this chicken. Okay, they are all sliced. Here is the chicken. This is how it go. It was very fried and dried. I fried it, make sure it is well dried. So I had my salt and followed by onions. The oil was very hot. It was kind of burning at the side because it was too hot. So I will remove the burning ones. first, as you can see. So the tomatoes is placed, added to the fry pan. Okay, so I'll turn it together, just turning it now. That is all what I can do. Guys, that was it. You can see the flavor of how it look, so soft and gummy. So this is how it finally went out. Thank you for watching. You can see the plate is set, soft and thick and gummy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. See you next time.